Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here. I hope everyone is well. And for those who's new here, hi, thank you for tuning in today and welcome. So in today's video, we are gonna be making a creamy shrimp Alfredo pasta. So here's all the ingredients that we'll be needing. Of course, we need a shrimp. This is like about a pound of shrimp, but the more you use a shrimp, much better. So we have here Parmesan cheese. We do need a white wine. Any brand of white wine is fine. Okay, so last time I normally use just a heavy cream, but since I'm using shrimp, I'll be using half of the heavy whipping cream and half of the half and half, because I don't want it really thick and I don't want it really thin, but it's optional, so it's up to your preference. You can absolutely just use a heavy whipping cream if that's what you like. So we also need olive oil. I have here 2 pieces of garlic. It's a minced garlic, about 1/4 cup of minced onion, quarter a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we also need a parsley flakes for garnishing, but if you have a fresh one, that will do. And we do need just I already showed it to you, the paprika. And here's the pasta that we're going to be using, a fettuccine, but I'm not going to be using the whole box, the whole thing. I'll be using only 3/4 because it's only going to be my husband and I will have this dinner. So what else I'm forgetting? Oh, of course, we do need butter as well, about 2 tablespoons of that. So what we're gonna do is let's season our shrimp. So I'm gonna go ahead dump the salt in there, quarter a teaspoon of that paprika, and then half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Let's just give this a nice mix. We're just gonna coat all the seasoning in there at least for 5 minutes. Make sure your shrimp is dry. Alright, and I do have my skillet preheated right now. Alright my love, so let's pan sear our shrimp. This recipe is very easy to make, so just do like that. Apparently I use a frozen cooked shrimp, so we're just gonna like pan sear our shrimp for like a minute each side. Just when it's slightly brown, that should be. Alright guys, let's remove this from our cast iron. So I just cook them like 1 minute each side. You don't want to overcook this if it's already cooked, but if you want to use uncooked, try to cook it like 2 minutes each side, okay? So now with the same pan, we are going to add a 2 tablespoons of butter. And then we can go ahead add our about 1/4 cup of minced onion. We are going to wait till our minced onion is fragrant, aromatic, and translucent. Probably I'm going to saute this for about 4 to 5 minutes, and after that we're gonna add our minced garlic as well. Now our minced onion is ready. We can add on now our garlic. Let's just saute this for a couple minutes. Add 1/3 of a cup of the white wine. Let's cook this down until not completely evaporated, at least half of the amount left, and it will give so much taste with our Alfredo. Now our water is boiling now and it's ready for our pasta. Just cook our pasta according to the direction. I put few amount of salt and few amount of oil. So this is the one I was talking about, and it's almost completely evaporated, almost. And believe me, it will give so much flavor of your shrimp Alfredo. Now we have to add on our cream. So we're going to be using 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Again, this is optional. If you want to mix it up, you can absolutely use just the heavy whipping cream if you prefer to. And now I am going to add as well a half and half. we're gonna bring this simmer this for a few minutes. Let's add now the Parmesan cheese, about 1/2 cup of the Parmesan cheese, and I'm gonna try taste that if we need salt or not. So this is gonna get dissolved really quick. Yep, just a small amount of salt, like about 1/2 teaspoon, and then some pepper also to taste. Let's pour on our cooked pasta, that fettuccine. By the way, mga loves, this amount of a recipe, you can absolutely cook the whole box of this pasta, which is 1 pound. I just decided to use 3/4 of that. And then let's just give this a little mix, and then we can add on our shrimp. Again, that was a cooked shrimp, so I'm just gonna put and cook this for like a minute at least. Alright, there you have it. And last but not the least, let's sprinkle and garnish some parsley. You can also use basil, by the way, mga loves. Alright, it's all ready. There you go. Alright, loves, so here's the most favorite part of the show. It's taste test time. So I'm going to have a big bite. Let's see. Okay, are you ready? It is so creamy, mga loves. Now let me have a bite of the shrimp. I hope you find this video helpful for you today, and I hope you will give this a try at home. And if you do like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here, and click the bell button so you'll be notified each time if I have a new upload. Bye! See you in my next one!